Sonali, what are the highlights?
It's a pretty good day when you're looking at these firms, and you're looking at Block, for example, which had already sold off 67% this year. We're coming in with gross profit above expectations. They're really growing their cash up there. I want to kind of hone in here as it pertains to crypto because, of course, we have a very crypto-friendly CEO in Jack Dorsey. Bitcoin revenue was $1.8 billion nearly. While that's down about 3% year over year, it's still up 128% on a 3-year compounded growth rate. So if you're looking at the crypto market and what it means for these fintech firms, it's really not as bad as it could be. And of course, that commitment's still there as they grow those other financial services. Really quickly pivoting here, even the Coinbase, they have really highlighted a lot of headwinds here. You do see that jump here in subscription and services revenue, and that is even larger, that jump. It would be 82% when you hold crypto prices constant. They're really benefiting from net interest income. So you're seeing these firms really leaning on the diversification, Emily, of the businesses here in order to show investors what they're worth. Robinhood, we have to point out as well, because revenue topped estimates, and really, stock-wise, they're down the least of the group here. They're only down about 30% this year. Crypto decreased 12%, but options and equities were up. And cost-cutting is really helping them drop operating expenses down 12%. And you're seeing that help them really come in with an adjusted profit number that is better than expected. They're coming in with adjusted profit that is rather than a loss. But again, can that hold when it's not just on an adjusted basis?
You know, Jack Dorsey, of course, the CEO of Block, has been in the news all year for a totally different reason, given the drama that's happening at Twitter. You know, did we hear from Jack on the call? And, you know, talk to us a little bit about, obviously, he was really instrumental in launching some of Twitter's early crypto projects. You know, tell us a little bit more about the connection.
Certainly, because we know Jack himself has really supported a lot of companies in the Lightning Network, for example, and really tried to integrate it with Twitter. But no, he was available on the Block call. We know he's focusing very much so on Block and financial services. He did not discuss Twitter. A question I would have that's kind of looming out there in the ether is, as it pertains to Block and Twitter, we asked Anthony Noto yesterday at SoFi a similar question, given his former Twitter background, whether these new fintech firms can partner with Twitter in order to expand financial services to create that great super app that Ed Ludlow loves to talk about. So looming open question, and it's yet to be seen. But Noto yesterday certainly did seem like they were open for business, should that be something that Twitter would explore.